In a world where technology is king, building your own personal computer has become akin to a rite of passage. It's a task that combines the thrill of creation, the satisfaction of personalization, and the joy of learning. This process is not just about putting together a machine, but about understanding the heart of modern technology. The benefits of this endeavor are manifold, from cost efficiency to performance optimization, and from developing technical skills to the sheer joy of creation. Imagine the sense of accomplishment when you power on a PC that you've built with your own hands. But where does one start? Fear not, for we are here to guide you through this exciting journey step by step. Step 1. Choose your components. This is the moment where you decide what kind of beast you want to create. The motherboard, CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, power supply, and cooling system are the key components you need to consider. Each part plays a crucial role in the performance of your PC, so choose wisely based on your needs and budget. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area with plenty of space to work. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any potential electrostatic discharge, and of course, a healthy dose of patience. Step 3. Assemble your components. Begin with installing the CPU onto the motherboard. Next, secure the RAM in its slot, followed by the installation of the CPU cooler. Once that's done, it's time to mount the motherboard in your chosen PC case. Step 4. Install the power supply. This is the lifeblood of your PC, supplying power to each of your components. Make sure it's well ventilated and secured tightly. Step 5. Install storage and GPU. Whether you've chosen a hard drive or an SSD, ensure it's securely installed in its designated spot. Afterward, it's time to install the GPU, the powerhouse behind your gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. Step 6. Connect everything. This is where all the pieces come together. Connect the power supply to the motherboard and all other components. Also, connect any fans or RGB lights to the motherboard. Step 7. Power up and troubleshoot. The moment of truth. If everything lights up and the fans start spinning, you've successfully built your own PC. If not, don't panic. Troubleshooting is a part of the process. Check your connections, ensure everything is properly seated, and try again. To recap, building your own PC is a rewarding process that offers numerous benefits. From choosing your components to assembling them, and finally powering up your creation, each step offers a unique learning experience. Not only does it allow for cost efficiency and performance optimization, but it also provides a sense of accomplishment and a deeper understanding of the technology we use daily. So go forth, embrace the challenge, and remember, the only thing standing between you and your custom-built PC is the decision to start. Here's to the joy of creating, the thrill of learning, and the satisfaction of building your very own personalized PC.